This is the exact 4-step scientific protocol to stop hair shedding and unlock actual permanent hair growth, which helped me get from this to this. We've all seen the videos telling us to rub heavy rosemary oil into our roots, or castor oil, chew sugary biotin vitamins, or completely stop washing our hair for weeks. But here is the problem. Almost all of that generic advice is actually suffocating your hair follicles, trapping thinning hormones, and physically pulling your roots out before their time. I used to make those exact same mistakes myself until I took a step back to look at the actual clinical data. To fix hair loss, you don't need more products, you need a structured ecosystem. In this video, we are breaking down what I call the scalp reboot method, because a healthy scalp equals healthy hair. It's a 4-part framework: reset, renew, nourish, and grow. Feel free to use the timestamps below to skip around, but I highly recommend watching this in sequence if you want to understand how these steps physically lock into one another. And most people don't do step 4, so watch till the end. To understand why your hair isn't growing, we need to take a step back and look at how we treat the skin on our head versus the skin on our face. If someone told you to leave a mixture of heavy oils, sweat, and environmental pollution on your face for 7 straight days without washing it, you'd think they were insane. You'd expect clogged pores, breakouts, and damaged skin. Yet the internet has convinced millions of us to do exactly that to our scalp under the myth of hair training. When I first started my hair wellness brand Syra, I fell into the same trap. I thought underwashing was actually a badge of honor. But under the hood, the business data and the biological research showed me a completely different story. Your scalp is an extension of your face. When you let sebum sit on your skin for too long, it doesn't train your oil glands. It creates an inflammatory soup that traps a specific hormone called DHT right at the follicle, choking the root until the hair shrinks and falls out. Once you understand that a dirty scalp is a hazard for hair growth, the entire way you look at your routine completely changes. The first pillar of this reboot is reset. This is all about mechanical and probiotic detoxification. So think of it as a clinical facial, but for your roots. The mistake most people make here, our classic anti-example, is running to the grocery store and buying an aggressive chemical dandruff shampoo that uses harsh sulfates to strip the skin. When you completely strip your skin barrier, your scalp panics and produces twice as much oil to protect itself. That's why you're trapped in a cycle of greasy roots. Instead, you need a targeted reset once to twice a week. You want to use a physical scalp scrub formulated with smooth, non-angular microparticles and infused with probiotics. Probiotics feeds to the good bacteria on your scalp. The better environment is for your hair to grow. So for the reset boot, you want to wet your hair completely, take a walnut-sized amount of the scrub, part your hair and massage it directly into the skin for exactly 2 minutes. So this massage gently lifts away dead skin cells and hardened sebum. The probiotics feeds your scalp microbiome, lowering inflammation so the skin barrier can actually seal itself. So if you do this right, your roots can finally breathe, setting the perfect foundation for the next 3 steps. So step 2 is renew. And this is where we want to improve our internal environment. So topicals, the things that you put on your scalp, can only do so much if your internal hormones are constantly attacking your roots from the inside out. The main culprit for genetic hair thinning in both men and women is DHT. Think of DHT like a squatter in your hair follicle. It moves in, cuts off the nutrient supply, and forces the hair to grow back thinner and thinner until the follicle dies completely. To block this, we use an internal method I like to call the internal filter. So instead of jumping straight to aggressive synthetic medications like finasteride that come with intense side effects, we look at natural plant-based DHT blockers like green tea, nettle root, red clover, saw palmetto, and pumpkin seed extract. Every single afternoon, swap your second cup of coffee for a targeted botanical blend, like our Syra Balance Hair Tea. Drinking this daily provides a steady stream of polyphenols that naturally inhibit the enzyme responsible for creating DHT. It's an easy, non-negotiable daily habit that protects your roots from internal stress while you go about your day. Now, some of you might be thinking, great, I'll just drink the tea, scrub my scalp, and my hair will grow 10 inches by next month. Actually, if you do that without step 3, you might cause even more hair shedding. So this is where people completely ruin their progress. If you feed your body internal nutrients but have poor blood circulation in your scalp, those nutrients can never actually reach the root of your hair. The delivery truck is loaded, but the highway is blocked. That brings us to step 3, nourish. This is all about forcing microcirculation through mechanical stimulation. We do this using 2 specific tools, a lightweight pre-wash oil and a Dermaroller. Here is the exact protocol to follow to avoid hair pulling. First, the pre-wash guard. Once a week, A few hours before your shower, apply a lightweight botanical oil like our Radiance Hair Oil to your roots. Don't massage aggressively, so let the oil naturally emulsify and break down stubborn grease. Okay, so second is a tool night. So once a week on a completely dry scalp after you wash your hair, because make sure anything on your scalp and you microneedle is going to push into your bloodstream. So use a 1mm Dermaroller. If you're nervous about Dermarollers, remember you control the pressure. So roll gently across your target areas about 4 times in a star pattern, vertically, horizontally, and diagonally in both directions. Make sure you are applying firm pressure and you want redness or pinpoint bleeding before you can move on to the next section. This creates controlled microsignals in your skin. Your brain instantly responds by sending a rush of fresh, oxygenated, nutrient-rich blood straight to those loosey hair follicles to heal the area. So you're literally forcing the delivery truck to arrive at the root. So final step of the reboot is grow, which most people sleep on. So this is our nightly cellular feed, and it relies on a biological window that almost everyone doesn't speak about, and it's called the circadian rhythm of your skin. When I was formulating the Essence Scalp Mist, my design team asked me why we couldn't just make it a heavy morning serum, and I just refused, because when we were formulating our Essence Scalp Mist, I wanted to ensure we were getting peptides and plant stem cells that worked on the cellular level, specifically at nighttime. Because between the hours of 10 p.m. and 4 a.m., your body enters a state of deep cellular regeneration. Your skin's blood flow increases, its barrier becomes more thinner, and its cell turnover rate doubles. So if you put a heavy, sticky oil on your head in the morning, it just sits on the surface, gathers dust, and looks greasy. What you need is peptides that work at the follicle level. Every single night, right before your head hits the pillow, shake and spray a lightweight, water-based, this is really important, water-based nutrient mist, the Essence Scalp Mist, for example, directly onto your roots. Because it's water-based, it absorbs instantly into the skin within 30 seconds. No grease, no residue, no styling ruin. And the best thing about the Essence Scalp Mist is that it is predominantly aloe vera water, which you're getting double the hydration. So it's not just water-based, it's aloe vera water-based. You are feeding your follicles active nutrients like plant stem cells and peptides at the exact moment your cells are awake and ready to rebuild and grow and strong. It is the ultimate low-effort nightly ritual. And that is the complete scalp reboot method. So let's look at how to build a seamless routine so that it's completely frictionless. So every night in the PM, the Essence Scalp Mist or a water-based serum before bed to feed cells regeneration. Monday morning, reset with a scalp detox scrub to clear the slate, creating the perfect foundation for hair to grow. Thursday evening, pre-wash with the Radiance Hair Oil or any other hair oil, wash gently and finish with your Dermaroller. And every afternoon, sip on your balanced hair tea or your own brewed tea to block hair thinning hormones from the inside out. So that is the clean, data-backed science that respects your skin barrier. And if you are ready to stop guessing and want to implement this exact system, the entire scalp reboot protocol is available at syrahair.com. But you can find the links to our clean formulas directly in the description below. Stop neglecting your scalp and start building its foundation. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.